Wait, what? Wait, I'm sorry. Are your fans called Sasquatchers?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome, Sasquatchers. We've had a shitty September, but we're lucking out with a beautiful sunny September weekend, and we're heading up to Garibaldi Lake, Panorama Ridge, and Black Tusk this weekend.
We're not looking at
Wait, go again.
This is a chocolate chip Cliff Bar. My nice power boost. Really chewy when it gets cold.
Is it in your pocket?
Yeah, you can call it a pocket bang if you want. Help you bang out some K's.
Gray J!
What's going on?
So we're on our way to Taylor Meadows. I think we're almost there.
Yeah.
But there's a park ranger posted up at the junction telling people that there's a family of bears in the area. One incident where a bear charged one of the campers and took his bag. So there's a conservation officer on the way, and I guess we're gonna find out if we can even stay here or not. So hopefully we can, but in the end, it's a bear, so. All right, we're at the camp spot.
Just gotta get the snow off so I can set our tent up.
So we just finished hiking into our campsite, Taylor Meadows. I think it was about 8K. It is a lot snowier than we were expecting, but whatever. And we're just gonna make some hot soupy noodles and eat some sandwiches, and then we're gonna hike up to Panorama Ridge. That's the peak. It's windy, but we're almost there.
Let's go! What up?
Well, still haven't summited, but it's nice right here.
Yeah, if you don't go any further, it's probably as good as it's gonna get.
There, now it's good. Now it's good.
Oh, amazing. So we made it to the top, which was so exciting. And now it's snack time. We got some Laura and Tom Sitter Trail Mix with some caramel M&Ms. And we're gonna head back down, take advantage of the sunlight while we have it. So we'll put the camera away until we get back to camp and have with some really good dinner. So see you in a bit.
You said we were gonna put the camera away.
Ooh, epic.
What you got in there, Tom?
Chili.
Vegan dehydrated chili, pepper rehydrating, and cooking. And chips. To the right amount of spicy.
Well, we just finished our delicious dinner that was chili made by Tom and Laura, and now we're all tucked into our tent. We got our emergency blanket over top of our sleeping mats for extra warmth to reflect the heat since we're sleeping on snow, and it's gonna be a chilly night.
Good night. Good morning. That was a cold one last night. Probably went to -15. Water froze almost right through, solid. And my sleeping bag is rated
-40.
for its coldest to be +4, and it was probably about -15, so it was about 20 degrees off that one. Didn't sleep much. How about you?
Time to go hike some more. Put on some frozen shoes.
Yeah, we'll put on some frozen shoes, make some coffee. We'll be all right. Dessert. Frozen stiff. Gotta put these on. I don't know about this one. Oh. Oh. Ow. Oh. Hopefully my cold feet will thaw it out. Oh. Yeah. Oh, alright. That's unpleasant. Wakey wakey. Water's boiling.
That's cool to hang.
Yep.
That's the one that's fucking aggressive. I'm not sure where it went.
All right, Sasquatchers. We did our hike. We didn't sleep.
And we're off to Garibaldi Lake.
We had our breakfast. We had our coffee. And then where are we going?
Garibaldi Lake.
All right. Let's move out. We have the option of going two ways back to our car. One way has a bear, so we're gonna go the other way.
Just give it a good yell every couple minutes, just keep talking to each other. Yeah. We had a bit of a interaction yesterday morning at Lesser Garibaldi Lake.
Okay.
But it's possible that it kind of came back up through this way. I'm not sure. We had the conservation officers here yesterday and they couldn't find it, unfortunately. So just be hyper vigilant when you're heading down that way.
Yes.
If you do see the bear, give it lots of space, back way slowly, and I would suggest coming back this way and down.
Okay.
Okay.
So it could be either way though?
Yes.
Okay.
So we mentioned yesterday that there was an aggressive bear in the park. So we were just told that they've shut down the trails, but they don't know whether it's on the trail directly back to the car park or on the trail around to Garibaldi Lake and back to the car park. So we're gonna go down to Garibaldi Lake and hopefully we don't run into it.
It's 50-50.
50-50, yeah.
We've got some tactics for hiking to scare away the bears. One of them is a Sasquatch call. I'll give you an example of it. And no one's gonna with that. That's an alpha male Sasquatch, so the bears they'll frig right off.
I got the best picture of you coming out of the water. So Nelson just went for a glacial dip in Garibaldi Lake. Looked cold as heck. And now we're just getting ready and we're hiking out of here.
Any obstacles that...
There's still a bear somewhere, but we'll see it when we get there.
Back. No bear attacks.
Woo! And now we feast.
We're at the parking lot. We're gonna go get some food.
See you next time, Sasquatchers.